everyone, this is Hitesh Angit from Mumbai Support, and I welcome you all to our Spider YouTube channel. The main purpose of this channel is to provide short videos on particular topics so that our users stay informative and utilize the software at maximum point. If you face any issue, you just call on 022 3501 8383 or you can send us a mail on support@spidersoftwareindia.com. So in this video, we're going to see how to download data. In our software, we have two types of data, EOD as well as intraday. EOD refers to the day's historical prices or quotes data, whereas intraday refers to the data within the day. So in our software, we already have enabled auto download settings, and if you want to know, you can follow these steps. First, you have to go to settings. In that, you have to select other settings. After selecting other settings, you will have a startup tab. In that, you can see at the bottom auto download import daily files, which is a auto download for EOD files, whereas auto download intraday files is used for auto download for intraday file. So you can see at the bottom both the settings are ticked and we have to set. Once it's set, whenever you restart the software, you will get the auto download option in our software. So suppose if you missed any particular day or if you missed the half of the time of the market, so you have to download the data manually as well. So for that, you have to go to download files. In that, you have to select EOD for EOD files and intraday for intraday files. First, we'll see how to download EOD files. So here, I clicked on EOD and I have to select the server. Then I have to select get file list. So once I click on get file list, I'll get all the files. Right now, I have already downloaded all the files. So I can overwrite the existing file. So when I clicked on overwrite, then again I have to click on get file list. So once I clicked on get file list, I'll get all these files. So you can see whenever I download the EOD files, it automatically after downloaded starts importing, which means whatever the data that we are having, it will convert it into graphical form. So in our software, when you see the EOD data, the name starts with the first with the year, then it's the month, then it's the date, and after that you will have a file name. So you can see at the start 21/11/24, which means 21st year and 11th month, which is November, and 24th is the date. And you can see at the last you have a CA. CA means it's the corporate action file. Below that you can see 21/11/23 which means it's a 23rd November's I. I stands for World Indices file. Then again at the bottom you can see the Z file. Z file deals with the MCX. And below that you can see the Y file, which deals with the NCDX file. So we have all these files. Then you have WP, which is for weekly pivot. MP is there, which is for monthly pivot. And then you can see 21/11/23D, which deals with the derivative file. There is also a MB file, which is for market breadth. And there is also a J file. J is for NSE currency. And that at the bottom you also see 21/11/23N file. N stands for NSE cash. This is an NSE file. Then it's also having a F file, which deals for future cash. Future file. There is also a ND file. ND with CSV. ND CSV means it's a Bhav copy file, which is used for a delivery purpose. And there is also a B file, which is for BSC Bhav copy. So all this file is attached with the EOD auto download feature, and after that we have an import option. Once it's done, the data will be updated on your charts. Now we'll see how to download intraday file. So when you click on intraday and we'll click on get file list, you will get the files. In that you always have two files for IRIS Plus users, ND7 and DD7. Okay, so ND7, DD7 deals with ND is for NSE and DD is for derivatives. So if you are using a BSC product, so there will be a BD7, and if you are using a M6 product, then it will be a MD7. And if you are using a Forex, NSE Forex, then you will be having a CD7. So all these files are related with the intraday. So you can download that and then you can connect with the intraday data manager. So once it's done, the data will be updated on your charts. I hope this video will help you, and thank you.